All right, you guys, I'm up here on the mountain here in Laguna, actually Crystal Cove here. The sun's going down. Looks like a nuclear bomb explosion now. Looks so weird. I hope the video's picking that up, but it's crazy looking today. All right, you guys, hiking in Laguna Beach again with John Hart. Sunset up on the mountain. Gonna have to walk back in the dark, but that's okay. All to get a good sunset up here. Hundreds of feet up, if not 1,000 feet up here. And it's almost gone. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching.